Welcome back to the Divine Inspired Care channel, where we continue in the series of women's health. In today's episode, we're addressing a crucial aspect that's often shrouded in questions and concerns: vaginal discharge. This clear or whitish fluid that comes from the vagina is a critical part of women's health. But what does it signify? Join us as we divulge into the uncertainty that often surround this topic. We will blend traditional wisdom with insights from modern gynecologists and evidence to provide reliable and empowering information. It is a topic that is crucial but yet misunderstood. Expect to gain knowledge about the different perspectives on vaginal discharge, from its perceived norms to the various types and their implications. We'll also delve into the causes and potential remedies, exploring both traditional and modern approaches. From understanding the role of diet and lifestyle to offering practical advice, our goal is to offer a comprehensive overview. Firstly, what exactly is vaginal discharge? This is a question that often crosses the minds of many. Vaginal discharge is a clear or whitish fluid that naturally comes from the vagina. It's an integral part of the female reproductive system, functioning to clean and protect the vagina from infection and irritation. However, changes in its colour, consistency, or odour often prompt questions and concerns. It's crucial to understand that vaginal discharge is not necessarily a sign of a health problem. In fact, it plays a fundamental role in maintaining the health of the female reproductive system. Vaginal discharge is normal. Most women and girls get it. It's a fluid or mucus that keeps the vagina clean and moist and protects it from infection. Understanding this natural occurrence is essential for women's health, not just in the UK, but globally. Now that we understand what vaginal discharge is, let's explore its various types. Concluding with this, understanding vaginal discharge is not just about satiating curiosity, it's paramount for the health and well-being of women. We delve deeper into the types of vaginal discharge in our upcoming segment. This topic is not to be missed. Did you know the colour and consistency of vaginal discharge can reveal a lot about your health? It's like the body's way of sending signals, and understanding these signals is key to maintaining good health. Let's start with creamy white cottage cheese-like discharge. This is often a sign of thrush called a yeast infection, which can be linked to factors such as a high-sugar diet or the use of antibiotics. It's usually harmless, but it can be uncomfortable and keep coming back. It is not classed as a sexually transmitted disease, STD. Next, we have grey discharge with a fishy smell. This usually indicates bacterial vaginosis, a condition caused by an imbalance of bacteria in the vagina. It's a common issue and can be treated effectively with the right care. The condition is not usually serious, but you will have to be treated with antibiotics if you do have it. Brown discharge, on the other hand, is often associated with irregular periods or residual menstrual blood. It's like a reminder that your body is going through its regular cleaning process. Now, if you see yellow or green discharge, it could suggest a sexually transmitted infection. This is a more serious indication and should prompt an immediate visit to a healthcare provider for testing and treatment. Red or pink discharge may relate to the menstrual cycle, but it could also indicate pregnancy or certain health issues. If you're unsure, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider to rule out any potential issues. Lastly, clear discharge is generally normal and can vary in consistency and volume throughout the menstrual cycle. It's your body's natural way of keeping the vagina clean and healthy. Recognizing these variations in vaginal discharge can help identify potential health issues. It's like having a personal health alert system right within your body. So don't ignore these signals. Instead, use them to your advantage to maintain good health and well-being. Now let's compare traditional and modern perspectives on this topic. Stay tuned as we go deeper into the fascinating world of women's health. How does modern science view vaginal discharge compared to traditional viewpoints? This question opens a fascinating dialogue on the varying perspectives. Modern medicine often sees vaginal discharge as a non-issue unless it's accompanied by other symptoms such as itching, burning, or an unusual smell. It's viewed as a natural part of the body's function, particularly when it's clear and odourless. On the flip side, traditional viewpoints tend to be more cautious. They regard regular or excessive discharge as potential indicators of underlying health issues, especially if it occurs outside of menstruation or ovulation. This perspective often encourages proactive measures to maintain vaginal health and balance. The key takeaway here? Both approaches bring valuable insights to the table. Modern science offers reassurance about the naturalness of vaginal discharge, while traditional wisdom promotes proactive health management. While perspectives vary, understanding the causes of vaginal discharge is beneficial for all women. What factors contribute to changes in vaginal discharge, and how can these be addressed? Diving into this topic, let's explore the common causes of changes. They range from lifestyle factors to certain medical conditions. For instance, improper hygiene can potentially lead to infections, altering the normal discharge. Certain medications, including birth control pills, can also cause changes. Even constipation is known to impact the nature of vaginal discharge. Lifestyle elements, such as diet and clothing too, play a significant role. Now, let's shift our focus to traditional remedies for managing vaginal discharge. One cannot prevent it, but there are ways to manage it. Always wash the skin around your vagina, gently using plain water. Do not use perfume, perfume soaps or shower gels. Do not use deodorants or scented hygiene wipes, and do not douche inside your vagina. Next, we have herbal remedies. Certain herbs like neem and turmeric are celebrated for their antifungal and antibacterial properties. They help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the vagina, thus preventing infections that may cause abnormal discharge. Balancing tonics also find a place in traditional remedies. These are herbal formulations designed to balance hormones and tackle urinary tract infections, which can cause changes in discharge. Now, let's look at some dietary and lifestyle advice. Traditional wisdom advises avoiding irritants such as red chilies, refined sugar, and deep-fried foods, which can potentially exacerbate the issue. Additionally, maintaining hygiene in the intimate areas is crucial. This involves changing regularly and wearing cotton underwear. It's also recommended to avoid tight clothing, as it can create a moist environment favourable for the growth of yeast and bacteria. In conclusion, there are numerous factors that can cause changes in vaginal discharge, and just as many ways to manage these changes. Traditional remedies and lifestyle modifications can be particularly effective, offering a natural way to maintain vaginal health. By understanding the causes and remedies for vaginal discharge, women can better manage their health. So why is understanding vaginal discharge so important? Well, it's a crucial part of women's health, an often misunderstood phenomenon that carries a wealth of information about our bodies. From the clear and odourless, which is typically normal, to the varied colours and consistencies that may signal an underlying issue. Understanding these nuances can be empowering. Modern science often views vaginal discharge as a non-issue unless accompanied by other symptoms, while traditional perspectives consider regular or excessive discharge as potentially indicative of health concerns. Factors like improper hygiene, dietary habits, and clothing can influence vaginal health, and adopting simple practices can make a significant difference. In conclusion, grasping the intricacies of vaginal discharge is a key aspect of women's health, universally acknowledged across different viewpoints. Thank you for joining us in this discussion. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Understanding our bodies is the first step towards maintaining good health. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening discussions on health and wellness. We would love to hear from you. If there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. We're here to provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your health. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay informed, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.